Are you having trouble gathering resources to upgrade the buildings in your shelter? In just an hour, we accumulated enough resources for the watchtower upgrade by plundering from players. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Attacking or plundering other players is the quickest way to gain resources. In today's video, we will guide you on how to maximize your gains from plundering. Mindset. Some players hesitate to attack others because they don't want to insult anyone. However, Dark War Survival is a war game, not a peaceful farming simulation like Farmville. Attacking shelters is an integral part of the game design that cannot be ignored. When a player is plundered, they only lose resources, which they can quickly regain by attacking other players. Although troops may be injured, they can recover in the hospital. In fact, plundering does not harm the target significantly. If you avoid plundering, your progress will be much slower than others. Eventually, your shelter may become a valuable target for stronger players. Therefore, it is crucial to build up your shelter quickly through plundering. Plundered Amount. Higher level upgrades require more resources, so we must acquire more as we advance to higher levels. Fortunately, Dark War Survival has a mechanism to enhance the amount we can plunder. Here's how it works. The amount we can plunder is determined by the load capacity of our trucks. The greater the load, the bigger the plunder. Load capacity depends on the troops we have. For example, a level 7 troop has a load capacity of 1,800. If your truck can carry 4,000 troops, you can plunder 7.2 million resources in a single trip. To maximize our plunder, we can increase the troop capacity and the load per troop. As troop levels increase, so does their load capacity. Each troop level raises the load by 200. At the maximum level, a troop's load capacity reaches 2,400. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Troop capacity. There are several ways to increase the troop capacity per truck. Let's break down our first formation, which can house 5,060 troops. Firstly, each hero has a different troop capacity. For example, I can lead 426 troops. By increasing the hero's star level and their level and equipment, we can boost their troop capacity. Currently, our heroes can lead up to 1,984 troops. Secondly, battle strategy and battle research can contribute to an additional troop capacity of up to 2,004. So far, we have unlocked 558 troop capacity through research. Thirdly, upgrading the military center significantly enhances troop capacity. At level 19, our military center has a capacity of 2,300 troops. Lastly, a modified vehicle at level 29 provides an additional 218 troop capacity. When we sum up all these capacities, we reach 5,060 troops. Ally and NAP. Ally and NAP are the standard terms used on the Alliance board. An ally refers to a close friend within your alliance who will fight alongside you. NAP stands for Non-Aggression Pact. While these alliances are not close friends, your alliance has chosen to enter into a peace agreement with them for mutual benefit. Your alliance management should update the alliance board accordingly. We should not plunder any alliances that are listed on the board. Instead, we should select any alliance not on the list for plundering. Target. Locate a player or bot and scout their shelter. Choose someone weaker whom you can easily defeat. If you encounter multiple targets within a group, you can choose to teleport close to them for faster plundering. However, this will require either an advanced teleporter or an alliance teleporter. These teleporters can be purchased with Ruby from the shops, particularly during discount promotions. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.